In this video we will tell you how to earn money with this new app of Kickbooster. We'll try to shed some light on a tool for crowdfunding that is very useful but not used nearly enough. We'll go over the basics of Kickbooster and give you some information that will help you to make money online. But before we start our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for all the latest updates. So let's start. What is Kickbooster? Kickbooster Inc. brings affiliate marketing to the crowdfunding world. It's a platform that helps creators and crowdfunders automate the process of referring people to their projects. It lets you boost your campaign by automating the tracking of referrals and giving rewards to people who share and talk about your product or idea. Kickbooster started out in 2016 as a tool that was only available on Kickstarter. It's hard to say how many Kickbooster campaigns have been successful. Still, you can find examples on their success stories page, and the results and changes, before and after using Kickbooster, are, to say the least, mind-blowing. Through Kickbooster's referral programs, more than $42 million has been raised so far. How does Kickbooster work? Before we can answer this question, we need to learn a little bit about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way to promote a product by using word of mouth and a rewards program together. In other words, a company pays a certain commission to anyone who promotes their product or service if that promotion leads to a sale. Because of this, a Kickbooster campaign works differently depending on whether you are a backer or a creator. Boosters. If you decide to use the Kickbooster referral program to make money, you will be one of tens of thousands of boosters who can access all active campaigns on the Kickbooster marketplace. From there, you can see how much commission each campaign creator offers, usually around 10%. Using that information, you can decide which ones to promote. You'll also have your own booster dashboard, where you can keep track of your referrals and commissions. How to earn money as a Kickbooster affiliate. You joined Kickbooster as an affiliate, got your unique affiliate code, and are now ready to start making money. Here are some tips on how to become a Kickbooster affiliate and start making money. Find a campaign you can get behind. First, you need to find a campaign you like and want to support. Go to the Kickbooster marketplace to start learning about a wide range of great campaigns. You can sort the campaigns by newest arrivals, our latest picks, most funded, ending soon, and highest commission to lowest commission. If you click the button on the left, you can also look at only crowdfunding campaigns or online stores. Or, you can sort by the categories that are most interesting to you by choosing from the list below. In the bottom left corner of the image for each campaign, the commission rate and the number of days left in the campaign will be shown. Once you've found a campaign that interests you, you can start boosting it. Click on Boost this campaign to get a link that is only for you. How to share. There are many ways to share your unique link code, but these are a few that work well with our existing boosters. Website, blog. If you have a website or blog, posting about a campaign is a great way to get the word out. Use the information in the media kit and on the campaign page to tell your readers about the campaign and encourage them to use your link to donate. The website Bless This Stuff talks about things that make people drool. They usually choose campaigns that interest them from the Kickbooster marketplace, write about them on their website, and use their unique link code more than once to send readers back to the campaign page to make a pledge. Videos. Videos are a good way to reach a large number of people. YouTube says that people watch more than 1 billion hours of videos every single day. If you don't make videos, you might be missing out on a large number of people. YouTube is a great place to share links because you can do it right in the video description. This makes the conversion rate higher than with other social sharing methods. Hobotech, a Kickbooster affiliate that has reviewed and boosted many Blue Tea campaigns, is killing it in the video game world right now. Social media. If you use social media, this is a great way to tell your friends, family, and followers about your unique link code. Do you remember that YouTube video you made? Try using it in a different way on social media. Share a blog post or article you wrote on your social media accounts. If you have the real product, share high-quality photos of you using it in your everyday life. Remember that different social media sites have different rules about what you can post. For example, you can't put links in your Instagram descriptions. Make sure you know the best way to post on each platform to make sure you're getting the most out of it. When you talk about the campaign you're trying to boost, being real is the most important thing. Find the platform where you feel most comfortable and where people are most likely to interact with you and start there. Reddit. If you choose to boost or promote a campaign on Kickbooster, you can make a lot of money depending on what the campaign owner is willing to pay. One of the best things about this method is that you don't need a certain set of skills or experience to use it. You might need a blog, though, because affiliate links are used. Once you've chosen the campaign you want to promote, all you have to do is put a link to it in your blog post and make sure it's backed up by good content. Every time someone clicks on your link, you'll get a commission that depends on the referral contract. This means that you have to find a good way to send people to your blog since Reddit doesn't let you put direct affiliate links there. So, the best way to get people to visit your blog post is to advertise on Reddit or set up a landing page to send people from Reddit to your blog. How to withdraw money. So the campaign you backed was a huge success. Now it's time for you to pay up. In this part of our review of Kickbooster, we'll look at how payments are handled. If you contributed money, you can only get paid if the following conditions are met. The campaign you helped with worked. The person who ran the campaign paid their kickstart fees. Through commission, you made more than $20. If all of these conditions are met, Kickbooster pays the backers a commission every 1st and 15th of the month, or the next business day if the 1st or 15th falls on a weekend or holiday. Payments for Kickbooster are made through PayPal, which should make the process safe and quick. Wrap up. So, based on what we've said so far in this Kickbooster review, we can say that the tool provides a recipe that works. It gives boosters a strong incentive by letting creators share a portion of each sale that goes well. We hope you enjoy watching the video. Subscribe our channel for more money-making videos. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon for all the latest updates. Thanks for watching.